Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust brightness, contrast and curve of your pictures on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the create button down in the middle of the screen and then select the picture. After that, tap on the adjust button down below, which is the third option. Here the first option is curve, so you can select it, and you can also select from these colors. You can also adjust the HSL, which means hue. That's the first slide, then the saturation and the luminance too. And you can choose from these color options. As you go back to the previous page, you can also adjust brightness by the help of this slide, then the contrast too. You can sharpen your picture, grain, select the saturation again, use the highlight. The shadow can be also adjusted, then the tint too, the warmth, hue, fade and vignette too, if you want to center it to the middle of the picture. After adjusting all of these details, tap on the checkmark icon at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.